Hey you guys, what's up? It's your girl Alicia Jones. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be reviewing this hair by Kima Braid, and this is Harlem 125's brand, and this is the Ripple Deep 14 inches. This is the packaging. I got this in the color number 2. I'm gonna take the hair out the packaging so y'all can see what it looks like. This is the hair out the packaging. It was wrapped up with a rubber band. If you want to see what it looked like straight up out the pack, go and check out my install video. But this is just what the hair looks like. Very soft hair. So if you've been following my channel for a while, or if you're new here, my crochet videos typically go like this. I do an install video, a dedicated install video. I talk about what the install was like, and then anywhere between 2 to 3 weeks later I come and I review the hair. I talk about my braiding pattern, I talk about the cost of the hair, how many packs I use, my nighttime routine, and if the hair is a yay or a nay to wear and check out. So I do all of that. Okay, so I installed this hair about 3 weeks ago, and my braiding pattern, I have 10 braids in the front. And then I do a little zigzag method. It's my go-to method. If you want to see my braiding pattern, you have got to check out the install video. So this is what the hair is looking like now. Still really pretty. I've gotten a lot of compliments on this hair. The curls have failed a little bit. They dropped, but that's okay. It's still cute. The hair, not as soft as it was. It's very dry. Very dry. So yeah, I just do install, I do my braiding pattern, and I do the invisible method, which I should have did it further back because it's kind of looking kind of crazy a little bit. But yeah, I have had to cut the hair just a little bit, just a tad bit, not too much, just on the ends, just a tad bit, not a lot. The install, very easy, very simple. There was some of the strands that I feel that I wasn't able to put all the way on the needle and pull all the way through, so I've had a lot of shedding with this hair because of that. Okay, I picked this up from my local beauty supply, but you can find it on Amazon. So I'm trying to see if I've seen it in the beauty supply recently, because I had this hair, I've been holding on to this hair since about 2020 or 2021. And in my install video, I said that I hadn't tried any hair by Harlem 125. I lied. I was incorrect. I tried Harlem 125 Kima Braid, the ocean wave texture, and I have an install and review of that hair up as well. So as far as maintenance, I did not put any product on this hair at all. None whatsoever. I didn't do anything. Years ago, like 2015, 2016, 2017, I would complete an install and I would instantly, when I was done with it, go in with mousse, Lot of Body, or Cream of Nature. I no longer do that. I like to see how the hair does first, and then I decide whether or not the hair needs some type of mousse. Some people don't believe in putting no product on the crochet hair at all. I, however, don't follow that, because some hairs, they need conditioner. They need conditioner and water, and that's it. Some crochet hairs don't need any product at all because they just don't do well with it. Some need a type of mousse. My favorite is Lot of Body. I forgot the other one that I really liked. Cream of Nature's cool, but it was another one. What the heck was it called? Vigorol. Vigorol is another good mousse for hair. Shea Moisture had a wig and weave one that's pretty good. Favorite one though, that don't break the bank, is very affordable, Lot of Body. Lot of Body was really good, but for this hair I did not put any product on it at all. I don't know if it would have helped or not, because I'm gonna tell y'all, that first week I was like, damn, I might have to rate this as a low maintenance hair, because I was literally putting it up in the pineapple method, and I was just going on about my day, going to sleep, throwing on my bonnet, throwing on a silk bonnet. But yeah, I was just like, oh my gosh, will this be the first hair that I will have to rate as a low maintenance? I was like, wow, I really don't have to do anything with this hair. But as I wore it a little bit longer and time progressed, I noticed that that was not gonna be true. I was getting excited. I was like, ooh, low maintenance. Hey, okay, come with it. What's good? Low maintenance. But no, that was not true. So, you do have to do a little bit of work with this hair. And to me, low maintenance, you don't have to do nothing. You don't have to detangle. You just throw it up in the morning, you take it down, you go. With this, you don't do that. So I would say this is a medium to low maintenance hair, because I did have to go in, but not every day. I would say like every other day, I would have to go in and just pull it apart, cut out the little stragglies. That's why I'm saying medium to low, because I didn't have to put that much effort in, and I appreciate that. Okay, I really appreciate that, because now I'm in school, I'm cooking, I'm cleaning up, doing laundry, that kind of thing. I don't always feel like dealing with my hair, which is why I continuously do a protective style where I don't have to go in and constantly do some type of maintenance with my hair. I just don't feel like it. So protective style it is. So the hair is still pretty full. Like, I thought I was gonna have to use all 5 packs, and I didn't. I used all of the 4 packs, and then I used a little bit of this one. Like, I filled in my invisible part. Like, I did some on camera, but then once I was done, I went back and then I stood in front of a mirror, and then I just filled in some spots that I felt like needed to be filled in. But I would say this is a medium to low maintenance hair. You could definitely get away without putting any product on this hair at all. You'll be fine. Like, and when I do an install, I try not to watch a lot of videos, because I want to form my own opinion on what I feel like the hair may be like for me. And then once I finish, I'll probably go and check out some videos to see what other people have to say. But this hair, it don't need no product at all. It don't need no mousse. If you do, I would say maybe some conditioner and water, because this hair, I don't know, I didn't have to put nothing on it. So that's why I'm saying maybe conditioner and water, but no. And if you do use a mousse, alcohol free mousse, do that. But you don't need no product with this hair. And if you looking for something that you don't really have to work hard for, this is the hair for you. Because like I said, every other day I was doing the routine, cutting it out, detangling it, and it was no biggie. And then it was some nights, I'm just being honest, like I just took my hair, I do this little thing, I wrap it up, put my bonnet over it just like that, and that's it. All right, so I always talk about it, but I don't ever show y'all. So when I say I was just taking it, doing it like that, bow bow, and then I just let it fall in there just like that. Now doing it like that, I noticed that the hair was a little bit more frazzled the next day. So I was like, okay, I can't keep doing that. So then I went in, cause it was messing the hair up. That's why I'm telling y'all that. But then when I say pineapple method, I'm taking the hair up like this, I'm putting that ponytail on it as such, and then I just let it fall. Take my bonnet. This is, I think this is an extra large bonnet. And then I just take that hair, put it up under there. Put it up under there like that. Also, if you want your edges to stay laid and slick down, you can also tie them down. I've noticed that as well, because I would be doing my edges the next day, they would be a mess. And I don't want to do my edges every day neither. So a nice silk scarf, you could do your edges the night before and then tie them down, put the bonnet over it. So yeah, but that's what I was doing when I say pineapple method, because it looks like a pineapple method, aka Sideshow Bob. Girl, we looking like Sideshow Bob. This totally. But so all in all, you guys, I would totally recommend this hair. I have not washed it. Now it did get wet in the shower in the back part. That didn't really affect it like that either. That's why I said water and a little bit of conditioner. It didn't change it one bit. But I do recommend this hair. I have it in 14 inches, but I think it goes to 22. And I always like how they have all the different types of hairs that they have on here. I want to try some more of these. Like I said, the only one that I did try was the Ocean Wave. And the Ocean Wave, it was cool. I'm not really a fan of Ocean Wave texture crochet hairs. I just like big, full. And to me, Ocean Wave, it doesn't give that to me. I want to try, yeah, no, it's Ripple Deep in 20 inches. I have 14. I want to try this Brazilian twist. I want to try this Bohemian curl. They got an Afro Temptation I would love to try. Yes. And then they got the soft dreadlock. Haven't tried that one either. Would love to try that one. I know I think Leah Levine did that one. Would really want to try that one. But all in all, you guys, I think this hair is super duper affordable. $5.99 a pack. Baby, can we have those type of crochet packs back? Because y'all remember how they used to be priced back in the day? Like when I first started doing crochet installs, the hairs were $5.99 a pack, $4.99 a pack. And now I feel like they $7.99 a pack. And then some of them are $9.99 a pack. Can we get those? Like, I miss those prices of crochet hair because I started doing crochet installs back in 2014. I just didn't start uploading them until what, 2015? Yep. Because my first, no, I do recommend this hair, you guys. I still like it. Y'all know I got to come on here and give y'all my final thoughts before I take it down. The hair, it does feel very dry. It does not feel soft like how the one in the pack does. It's been untouched. I ain't wore it. This one still feels super soft. And I mean, it feels dry. It's not that big of a deal, whatever. I mean, it's dry. So what? I'm about to take it down. But I will tell you that I feel like you can get, I want to say 5 weeks out of this hair. I think 6 would maybe be pushing it. I'm in week 3.5. I'm about to take it out. So I had to come on here like tell y'all what's up with it. But the hair will be linked below. If you're interested in checking it out, I highly recommend you do. I done hopped onto this Ripple Deep bandwagon a little late. People been wearing this hair for years, but y'all know how I do. I don't wear hairs like that when everybody else is unless a company has reached out to me. I review my crochet hairs on my own time. Yeah, that's just how I like to do it. But that's it, you guys, for this video. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Like I said, Kima Braid, this is the Ripple Deep. I did 4.5, I'm gonna say 4.5 packs. 4.5 packs, color number 2, 14 inches. The other inches that they have is 20. I would like to try that one. But this one is super cute. It didn't really get in the way. When I would cook dinner, I would throw it up, put my bonnet on. Because like I said, it did have some shedding. And I don't hate her getting in the food. Hate it. But yeah, you guys, let me know what you think. Leave y'all questions down below. I love answering y'all questions and chit-chatting with y'all. And I will see you guys in the next video. Don't know what the next video is going to be. But hey, we gonna figure it out. I'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.